friends, welcome to my channel AI Tools. In this video, we look for some logical functions and logical tests. What is logical functions and logical tests? Logical functions in Excel sheet are used to test whether a situation is true or false with the help of comparative operators. We have some comparative operators here: equal, not equal, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. These are comparative operators and these are their signs. We have some data here in column C and in column D. In column C, 20, 30, 40, and so on. In column D, 50, 45, 50, and so on. Remember that in Excel, every formula starts with a sign of equal to. Equal to C7 equal to D7, the result is false because 20 is less than 50. Similarly, for not equal, equal to value C8 not equal to D8, the result is true because the value is in this cell is not equal to this cell, the result is true. Similarly, equal to C9 greater than D9, the result is false because 40 is not greater than 50, it is less than 50, so the result is false. Similarly, equal to 45 greater than or equal to 55, the result is false. Similarly, for less than comparative operator, the logical test for these two cells is equal to C11 less than D11, the result is true because 60 is less than 75. Similarly, equal to C12 less than or equal to D12, the result is false. So these are logical tests which we used in this data with the help of comparative operator. These are very useful because in other functions like if function, and function, or function, we'll use these comparative operators. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching till another video.